Health benefits of green tea. Can green tea help prevent cancer? Dry green tea leaves are about 40% polyphenols by weight, and the most potent of these is EGCG. Drinking green tea is often touted as a natural approach to reducing your cancer risk. Indeed, green tea is exceptionally high in antioxidants, which could theoretically combat cancer by neutralizing free radicals. Tea is the most popular beverage after water. Incredibly, it has evolved to become part of the daily diet of nearly 2/3 of the world's population. As you know, tea once just a popular beverage in China and Japan has led to its popularity, growing by leaps and bounds among health-conscious people all over the world. Why? Because green tea fights cancer. Green tea leaves contain so-called bioactive compounds, including green tea antioxidants, which act on our body in multiple beneficial ways. Specifically, green tea polyphenols known as catechins are believed to be responsible for many of the health benefits of green tea. Epigallocatechin 3-galate, EGCG, is the most abundant catechin in green tea and accounts for 50 to 75% of its total catechin content. EGCG is also the most effective green tea antioxidant as far as its health benefits are concerned. And it has been tested extensively over the past few years to better understand its potential cancer-fighting abilities. EGCG stops cancer cells from growing. Cancer cells are formed when our body cells break free of the normal cycle of growth and death and begin to grow uncontrollably, giving rise to harmful, even life-threatening tumors in different parts of the body. EGCG and other green tea antioxidants act in very specific ways to prevent cancer cells from growing, and are very likely responsible for at least some of the anti-cancer health benefits of green tea. EGCG kills cancer cells. In a very promising development, EGCG has been shown to kill many different types of cancer cells in laboratory conditions. One way in which EGCG does this is by triggering the activity of so-called pro-death proteins, causing cancer cells to commit suicide. EGCG also prevents cancer cells from growing rapidly and spreading from one location to another and invading other parts of the body. So is green tea a proven cancer fighter? It's clear that EGCG and other green tea antioxidants can stop cancer cells from growing, even directly kill them. They also seem to be able to prevent new blood vessels from forming within tumors that help cancer cells to grow rapidly and spread to other parts of the body. EGCG does this by interfering specifically with multiple biological mechanisms in cancer cells, and it appears to do so without affecting normal cells. This cancer treatment is rated only as being effective on newly diagnosed cancer patients who do not have a fast-growing cancer and their cancer has not spread significantly. If you are an advanced cancer patient who has had a lot of chemotherapy, radiation or surgery, or you have a potentially fast-growing cancer, do not use this treatment as your primary cancer treatment. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get notification on more health videos. You can check out my next video below on how green tea benefits the brain.